children, adults, and seniors with disabilities or limiting conditions. Visit curative.org.
This weekend from 10 to 2, join WeatherTight at Patterson Orchards in New Berlin.
Go to our website to register and print your voucher to get a free gift bag and entry form to win tickets for the Green Bay versus Houston game.
Just go to WeatherTightCorp.com.
7:16, time for an update from the Johnson Bank Sports Desk. Here's Doug.
All right, Gene, the Cubs don't rally in the ninth inning in October. They get rallied on in October, but proving that 2016 is unlike anything we've ever seen in a lot of ways. The Coasters and the Hearts Brewers fans right now are in jeopardy. Cubs manager Joe Madden bringing in pinch-hitting rookie Wilson Contreras for All-Star Addison Russell in the ninth. Contreras hitting a game-tying single. The Cubs have a surprising lineup switch.
They all knew coming into it, I explained it to them before, things are just a little bit, it's the same, but everything's different in regards to the kind of moves you may make at this time of the season. They're all on board, and it just happened to play out.
As to who he'd rather play in the NLCS, the Dodgers or Nationals,
It doesn't matter.
either way, the Cubs will have home field advantage. Ryan Burrow. By the way, it's been 71 years since the Cubs played in the World Series. It's been 108 years since they won the World Series. The Dodgers, meanwhile, squared up their series with the Nationals in the other NL. Chase Utley had the go-ahead RBI single, scoring Andre Ethier in the bottom of the eighth. Manager Dave Roberts.
Obviously, Chase, he's risen to many occasions and rises to the moment. And, you know, as bad as his at-bats might have been earlier in the game, you know what, he just doesn't scare off, and he keeps competing. And so I'll take my chance with Chase anytime. The series decisive Game 5 will be tomorrow night in D.C. The Bucs are off to a hot start this preseason. They won the first two games. The difference for play-by-play man Ted Davis, the three-pointer.
Oh, they'll shoot more threes. There's no question about that. You have to. And they now have the people that can do that. The loss of Middleton is disturbing because he's your best three-point shooter, but Dellavedova will hit threes, Miletovich will hit threes. I think Jabari can extend his range. They're going to fire him up.
The Bucs will look to stay unbeaten in the preseason tonight when they take on the Pacers in Evansville, Indiana. We'll have a call for you tonight at 6:10 with our pregame Buckshots.
WTMJ. Hillary Clinton, Donald Trump go head-to-head for the last time next Wednesday night in a debate setting. Watch it with us and let your voice be heard in a WTMJ voter forum. Just sign up to watch the debate here at the WTMJ studios next Wednesday by going to WTMJ.com. It's never too early to talk beer. We do that next.
Curling back here, the Republican Civil War gets hotter. What will the fallout be? We'll take a look at the latest at 8:45 this morning.
8:30 to noon on 620 WTMJ. Myth. Community banks only serve small businesses.
Fact. At Waukesha State Bank, we serve businesses big and small. In fact, Waukesha State Bank's mission of serving the community means we will pursue startup businesses and Main Street borrowers like restaurants, dentists, and doggy daycares. However, our attributes, a $22 million lending limit, also allow us to serve larger borrowers such as manufacturers, distributors, and wholesalers. We truly are the bank for all businesses. In addition, we offer full-service financial solutions, including a suite of cash management products, as well as payroll processing and wealth management services. It's a fact. Now is the time to experience a different banking partner. Waukesha State Bank, independent and friendly for over 70 years. Discover the difference for yourself. Visit WaukeshaBank.com today. Member FDIC, Equal Housing Lender. Waukesha State Bank. Friendly service.
Where should you start when you're told you have cancer? Start with a specialist. Start at Cancer Treatment Centers of America, where you'll find advanced technology and precision treatment options. Start with a team of experts who treat only cancer, every stage, every day. It's not one thing we do, it's the only thing we do. Start at Cancer Treatment Centers of America in Northern Illinois. The evolution of cancer care is here. Learn more at cancercenter.com/experts or call 888-797-767.
Under Toyota service is faster and cheaper than other places. See Import Minded. Scheduled maintenance to major repairs. Import Minded delivers over 70 years of experience. Import Minded, South 27th, just north of I-43.
traffic and weather at 7:20, sponsored by Import Minded. Love your import, ease your mind. Get it serviced at Import Minded. Hey, Debbie.
Hey, Gene. Eastbound 94 is backing up now. We've got a 7-minute ride there from Highway 16 to the zoo. That's an extra 7. Marks it away from Moreland Road to the county line. And then from the zoo to the Marquette, 7. Westbound 94, 76th Street out to 89th Street is going to be your heaviest spot. 12 minutes there from downtown to Moreland Road. 4145 southbound is looking clear at 14 minutes. Highway 2 to the zoo. Northbound 94.